Several apartment buildings in Taipei's Dazhi neighborhood in Zhongshan district were evacuated late Thursday after several of them were found to be tilting to one side. A nearby construction site is most likely the culprit, where the ground had not been prepared properly during the excavation stage.
The city government has launched operations to fill in the collapsing ground. Initially, the construction site was to be filled with concrete, but to speed up the process, it is now being filled in with sand.
沙会比较快，混凝土填完了以后，你要后续要去善后的话，难度比较高。
Sand will be faster. If you fill it in with cement, it is harder to deal with afterward. It's also slower. If the soil isn't good, it softens up. After it is treated, it will become hard, right? And when it's harder, it can better withstand lateral forces that exert pressure on it. But if the improvements aren't done as well as expected, it could compress inward.
毕竟有一个坑在那里，那其实对四周围的一个建筑物，其实是一个。
After all, there is a pit in the ground, which is a risk for all buildings around it. If the construction site is filled in, it would provide protection to nearby buildings and roads. As for whether the residents can return, it's something that's being evaluated.
Structural technicians and civil engineers are keeping a close watch on the refilling process, which was initially set to take 3 to 4 days. Now that the site is being filled, the operation is set to wrap up on Sunday.